reaching the end of our session. So I'm going to ask one last question from all of you, and a winning message to inspire our viewers out there. So Lakshmi, let's start with you. Like a message for women out there who want to make their career in modeling. What does it entail? And an inspirational message. You can talk for a couple of lines and tell us.
Sure. I'll make this quick. I feel that, something that has been lacking for so many years, and which is an education system for people who are getting into the industry. For anybody, modeling is a serious profession, and not everybody realizes this. It's a profession. If you take it seriously, the profession will take you seriously as well. And for all those young minds who want to get into it, and a lot of them get into it blind, not knowing where they're headed, what are they supposed to do, and they get into bad experiences. Hence, I feel it is important to invest in an education system, which will teach them and show them a path through which they travel and they make it and they find their niche in the industry. Apart from that, I feel that, for young models, it is very important to be walking in different, and to be looking at it holistically, which is, you concentrate on modeling and also concentrate on other interests in life, so that 5 years down the line, it should not be just one thing that you're looking at. You can change, and you can kind of improvise on what you want to become in times to come. And hence, that is what we teach. We teach people to get their interest, be after their passion rather than just modeling, So that's what my message is for them.